The new Beneteau 35s are a fantastic addition to the Sailing Holidays fleet. These 3-berth yachts offer a huge amount of space with their modern design.
Just such an enjoyable boat to be on. There's so much room, and for a 35-foot boat, the space is unreal. The amazing upright fridge with icebox, which means you've got ice on tap the whole time.
There's a really bright and airy modern feel inside the boat.
Fantastic panoramic windows that mean you can wake up in the morning, see straight out at the sunrise or whatever activity might be going on the water outside.
We've got 3 double cabins, really spacious, so they offer loads of space if you're a couple, group of friends.
The really enormous swimming platform is just such a great place to kick back and relax, especially after an afternoon sailing. The living area on the 35 is just fantastic. The cockpit's so spacious.
The main feature in the 35 cockpit is the double helm, which offers a lot more space to the back of the boat. As with all our Sailing Holidays boats, this yacht has in-mast furling and also a furling genoa, making it really easy to sail, nice and simple, making your holiday even more relaxing.
It's a little bit of affordable luxury, and I don't think anyone who sails on it could fail to have a good time.